I had a kid who was running down the hall one day in the high school, and there was a teacher chasing this kiddo with the finger. And don't you can't run away from me. And I was like, my kid's already, like 3 yards away from you. And I remember intercepting it and saying, "Oh, thank you for finding him. I've been looking for him all day." And I made this stern face, because I wanted to support my colleague. And so the teacher went, "All right, it's all yours." And obviously she was having a difficult time and she walked away. And later she came to me and she asked the question. She said, "Polly, she goes, thanks for backing me up." But she said, "I just didn't want anyone to think that I wasn't in control of the situation." And I said, "Honestly, this running down the hall doesn't look like you're in control. Just, so just don't go there. You didn't need to go there. And so in the future, you give that kid a direction. That kid still walks away from you. You have done your job. You've given that kid a direction. You're going to circle back to that kid when you get a moment, or maybe we're going to sit as a team and say, when that kid walks away from you, here's the 3 words we're all going to say. And that's it. Say those words. It's like, take your hat off and walk past them. Put your cell phone away. That's an expectation. And after a while, that kid grows to understand that everybody's on the same page. But if individuals fight with them and get into power struggles, that becomes entertainment. And now we're demonstrating to all the other kids that we're not sure what to do with this kid.